So guys, I figured this would be helpful to someone else. So I tried to figure out and do research on these. So what I did was I put my air plant inside of water, and it's been sitting in here for a little while, like longer than I think it should have. But they say that you submerge it. If you can do this, like I think they said once a week, you submerge it in water for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then you let it just dry off on a paper towel and just leave it. And I think Faye, one of my YouTube family members on my channel, told me to just set it on rocks. So that's what I'll be doing. I actually don't know if I have a bag of small rocks. I don't know exactly, but this is a way to water the snake, not the snake plant, the air plant, if you want to not have to mist it every day. So they say you can mist it every day with a little water bottle, or you can submerge it in water and then let it kind of, you know, air out, get the water off of it, and then just set it on top of rocks. But I think what I'm going to do is just set mine in the corner of my snake plant that I repotted. I repotted my snake plant and it looks so amazing. Let me show you guys. And here it is. And this is actually, I just watered this because I repotted it. And this is going in my office, so I had it sitting here draining. So I can actually put a link below so you can see how I repotted this and how I actually drilled holes in this concrete pot for it because it didn't have holes in it. So yeah, so that is how you can water an air plant. And as you see, the water is coming off of it without a problem. So I just keep pressing it in different areas on a napkin. And that is how I water my air plant. And we're gonna see how this air plant works out for us. This was a free gift when I got this. It was inside of the box. And I'm new to air plants, so we shall see if this thing flourishes and does good. So I shall see you guys later, Gators. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and join the family, and also hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I load a video and you won't miss out on the bonus video. So later, Gators.